What is going on, guys? It is your boy Emilio, Miss Hall's favorite student of the entire class. Anyways, I'm going to teach you guys today of exponent rules and laws of exponents. It is actually going to be kind of easy because I really know how to teach, and you guys will really understand me because I did it the way that I would be able to understand it. Anyways, let's get right to it. There is a real picture of me at the bottom left corner. Of course it's real. It is not Photoshop. You guys might think it's a Photoshop, but of course it is me because come on, you guys all know I work out. And I put Miss Hall's name in pink so that she would, slide in a little extra credit, she wants to do, it's her favorite color, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, like I said, let's get right into exponents. I am so excited. I'm really not. I hate math. Well, first you guys need to learn what an exponent is. What I found is that an exponent is a small number written with another big number that tells how many times to multiply the big number by itself. So technically it's saying just a normal thing, like you guys know how to put 5 squared, 6 squared. You guys know exactly how to solve that. You just multiply 5 times 5 if it was 5 squared. Anyways, I give you some examples like 4 squared. Of course, you just multiply 4 twice. Like 4 times 4 is going to be equal to 16. Same thing with 5, 6, and 7. 7, you just multiply 7 times 7. You guys will get 49. It's actually pretty simple. You guys just know what an exponent is, just so you guys can already get a little taste of what it's going to be. And I'm going to give you guys a few examples, other examples on the rules of it. Let's get to it. One of the rules is when you multiply some numbers with exponents that have the same base, you just add the exponents but keep the same base. It is really simple. If you have the same base, you just add the exponents. It's easy. It doesn't matter what the exponents are. It can be 2, 5, 10, 15, whatever it is. You just basically have to add them. Just add them together if you have the same exact base. The other rule is when you divide numbers with exponents that have the same base, you just subtract the exponents and the base stays the same. It's similar to every single rule. If the base is the same, all you have to do is do something different with the exponents. Like in this, all you have to do is subtract the exponents if you are specifically dividing. The third rule is if you take an exponent of an exponent, then you multiply both of the exponents and keep the same base. So basically you are just simply multiplying the exponents, because of course it's outside of the parentheses, so you would just be multiplying 3 times 2 and you would get 3 to the power of 6. The fourth rule is when it's a negative exponent, just put 1 over it. With a positive exponent, the base stays the same. So technically, just to make the exponent positive, you just put 1 over it and it would automatically just make it positive, and you just solve for it. So 8 to the power of 2 would be 64, and of course the 1 is just on the top. It is as simple as that. The law of the exponents is the same as the rules of exponents. Don't get confused, they are both the same exact thing. Let me give you some examples of multiplying, dividing, and making a negative exponent to a positive exponent. Just remember the base will always stay the same. No matter what, you don't do anything to the base. So I'm going to show you 2 examples of multiplying exponents. When you are multiplying 2 numbers with exponents, and they are the same number, which is the base. If they are the same, all you have to do is leave the base the same. You just add the exponents. So technically, all you have to do is, since 8 has 1 and the other 8 has 3, you just add both the exponents, 1 plus 3. And you would get 8 to the power of 4. So all you have to do is multiply 8 times 8 times 8 times 8, which is 4 times. So when you multiply 8 times 8, you get 64. And when you multiply 64 times 8, you get 512. And times 8, and then you get 4096. That is the answer for when you multiply with the exponent as 4. You do the exact same thing with both of the 2's. They both have exponents. You do not do anything to the base. Leave the base as it is. You just have to add both the exponents. So if you add 2 plus 2, you will get 4. So it's 2 to the power of 4. Just multiply 2 4 times. So it will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So basically you would just multiply 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. When you are dividing, all you have to do is subtract the exponents. The base always stays the same, so 4 is just going to stay as it is. So all you have to do is subtract the exponent 6 minus 3, and that'll give you 3 4s that you have to multiply. So when you multiply 4 times 4, you get 16. 16 times 4 is 64, and that would be your answer. When you take an exponent of an exponent, all you really have to do is multiply both of the exponents together. You leave the base the same. So you just have to multiply 2 times 2 and you get 4. Now you have 4 5s that you multiply together. So 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. And 125 times 5 equals 625. And that will be your answer. Now that you have a negative exponent, you have to do whatever you can to turn it into a positive. So all you have to do is put it over 1 and you simply get a positive. So now you have 3 cubed. You just have 3 3's that you have to multiply. So it's 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 times 3 equals 27. And your answer will be 1 over 27. Well, thank you guys so much for watching that video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it because it took me about 2 days to make. I non-stop kept editing, and well, Miss Hall, you're really special, so of course I want to make some video like this. You know, I want to make you laugh, or I hope you did. Well, I just want to take the time to thank you, Miss Hall, so much. I don't know why I'm doing this in the video. I just feel like I should do it. I want to thank you so much for putting a smile on my face every single day. This class was fun. It was a really good experience, and I hope I get to see you next year or whatever. I love you, Miss Hall. You're a really good teacher. I'm sorry for giving you some hard times, but you know, I love making you laugh. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, tell Miss Hall to hit that extra credit button in the computer, you know, because, you know, spend a lot of time doing this. Anyways, I want to say bye to you guys because I don't make this video too long. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm just saying, I really hope you guys enjoyed it because this is the first time and it might be the last that I'm going to make a video like this for any class. This Hall is really special, so I'm going to do it. So, I will see you guys later.